Welcome to Limburg, the most southern province of the Netherlands, which stretches along the river Meuse. Here you can enjoy the good life. The people of Limburg pay attention to the things that matter and live their life at a slightly more relaxed pace. Because of its unique location, Limburg has culinary influences from both Belgium, Germany and France. It has an excellent culinary reputation and is most famous for its regional delicacies. The people from Limburg have a heart for good food and drinks. Eating in Limburg means enjoyment in prestigious restaurants, lively pubs, tea rooms and cafes. For the people here, it's important what you eat, but maybe even more, who you eat with. In contrast to the popular belief that the Netherlands is a cold and damp country, the sun-drenched Meuse Valley is ideal for wine production and even has its own cross-border wine appellation. No wonder Limburg has moved from pioneer to industry leader in Dutch winemaking. So come to Limburg and taste the best of Dutch wine. The most famous regional product of Limburg are special tarts, known as fly. To the people of Limburg, fly is both sacred and an everyday treat. They'll use any excuse to eat it, and you can find it in almost every establishment. But the best place of all to consume a delicious slice of fly is seated in a sunny outdoor cafe. Northern and central Limburg is well known as the asparagus region. The vegetable is also called white gold and the queen amongst vegetables. And rightfully so, as it is truly delicious. From high-class restaurant to local lunchroom, they all serve the most mouth-watering asparagus dishes. In the centre of Limburg, you'll find LILBOSCH Abbey, a monastery of the Trappists and the silent force behind the success of the LIVAR cloister pigs. These free-range pigs are fed with cereals cultivated by the monks, resulting in exceptionally flavoursome and delicious meat. Be it wine, fly or asparagus, or even syrup, mustard or jam, Limburg prides itself for using their own local ingredients. The journey from farm or field to your plate is always short. Combining good food with fun activities is not difficult, as Limburg has a lot more to offer. Enjoy a cold beer, a good glass of wine, or a slice of fly, and experience the leisurely lifestyle. Get a taste of the good life. Come and visit the heart of Limburg.